Hey guys, happy Sunday. So the match was so good yesterday. I know I showed you guys a bit of clips of that, and then also I tend to like finish my hair. So they got 2-0. So regular girls got 2, Guyana nil. Nil means 0. So yeah, so I made some breakfast and I'm looking in my plate. I'm like, something is missing. I forgot about bread. So I went to like Mega Mart. I did some shopping the other day. I didn't bring you guys with me. I probably should have, because that was a whole lot of shopping I did. Anyway, so I went to Mega Mart and I was walking by, the bakery area, and I saw this fit vegan bread. And I was like, let me try it. I paid $760 for it. It's a short bread, and the price isn't that bad actually. Well, it's definitely a little bit more than regular bread, but for $760 for a vegan bread, and it had like little. Let me tell you guys what it has in it. So it's wheat, gluten, soy grits, yeast, wheat starch, pumpkin seed. Yeah. What else does it have? Yeah, so I was like, you know what, let me try it. It seems natural. So yeah, so I'm gonna just have more than likely 1 slice of bread with my breakfast, and I was actually watching some YouTube video. I hope you guys can hear me because the fan is on. Yes, I was watching. Let me show you guys how the bread looks, by the way. Oops. So here you can see a little stuff in it. And it tastes really good. Like, it tastes really good, guys. Yeah, it tastes really good. I like it. Do that. Yeah. But let me show you guys again if you wanna. Vegan people wanna eat healthy. Mega Mart, guys. Anyways, I'm gonna finish up my breakfast. I'm gonna watch a YouTube video. I'm trying not to waste time today, Sunday. The chicken is already in the sink, thawing out, and I have some sweet potatoes. So we're gonna be having chicken, sweet potatoes, and callaloo for this evening. I'm gonna actually cook all of the callaloo. I have 2 sweet potatoes. I'm gonna do both of them. And I have drumsticks. I think it's about 6 drumsticks. I'm just gonna cook all of them, so I have leftovers for this week. So I don't have to be cooking after work for this week, because this week is studying. I have exams within 3.5 weeks, and I really haven't started. This entire week as a carnival, I was supposed to start, because that's what I told myself. I was supposed to start on Thursday, but I haven't. So starting tomorrow, after work finishes, we're gonna dive into it. So that's just the plan for this week, straight studying and all of that. All right, let's get into this breakfast. By the way, these are the fronts of my camera. Anyways, I'm hungry. Plantains are bought for $500. I don't care. Plantains without eggs, sometimes it's just like a bummer. I'm not gonna lie. So guys, it's raining. Okay, it's raining today on Sunday. I feel like I need to show you guys my room, because I washed yesterday at my mom's place, right? And I came home probably like the same time, probably like after 3 o'clock going to 4, because remember I had to do my hair to go to the football match, right? Fast forward, I realized that I didn't want to hang up my clothes on the line anymore, because one, I don't leave my clothes on the line overnight, seeing that I share this space with multiple people. It's a triplex, right? So I don't leave anything outside overnight. So I was like, okay, you know what? I realized that most of them wash like on a Sunday. So I was like, I'm probably just gonna have to, I can't keep my clothes in the garbage bag, right? I have to hang them out. So I did have 2 lines in my bathroom and I put as much clothes as I can. But there's still some more clothes so I spread them all out on my bed. And I just slept in my couch last night, basically. The wet clothes, I couldn't sleep on them. Or I kind of pushed them away. I had to spread out everything because there's so much clothes because I haven't washed it probably over 2 weeks. Anyways, I'm like, okay, I know tomorrow I don't send to leave the clothes on the bed and then tomorrow I hang them out. Tomorrow morning, which is this Sunday morning. Yeah, I didn't do that because I got up like after 10 because I was super tired. I went to bed late last night watching Netflix, guys. So yeah, I got up like after 10 and then I went around the back and I saw clothes on the line. I was like, yeah, no. There was like 2 other single lines remaining, but I was like, yeah, I'm not gonna do that. Like I said, like most of them wash on today. So I'm just like, okay, let my clothes stay on the bed. My clothes stay on the bed and then tomorrow I hang them out. Anyways, I don't know why am I saying that this is really irrelevant because what I turn on this camera to talk to you guys about is my dinner. I changed my mind. I want baked chicken and I'll put it in the oven. But I don't have anything to put the chicken in the oven. I don't want to air fry. I got some carrots from my family member. They dropped them off this morning. So like I want chicken and carrots, but I want it oven. I could have used the air fryer, but I have like 6 drumsticks and I just want to put all of them one time. 6 drumsticks cannot hold in the air fryer and I want to cook everything. So it's like, okay, I gotta run to the supermarket. But the rain is falling. Like the rain is falling like crazy. The rain is falling like crazy. But I'm still gonna go leave out in the rain because I need the pan to put my chicken in. It's essential. And I'm actually gonna buy 2 of them. So I have another one just in case. I do need to buy an oven pan though that I can reuse every time. So I need to get one of those soon. But we're gonna jump ahead, go outside in the rain, go to the supermarket and get the oven pan so we can start dinner. It is, what time is it? My TV's not gonna tell me, right? I don't know, I'm watching a YouTube video. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, we are heading to the supermarket. How do you say supermarket in, you guys see my window? Oh no, you can't see it. Not my window, the door, the gate. Yeah, you can't really show your gate where you live, you know? You can't do that, guys. Yeah, what did I say? Oh my god, I want to sneeze. One moment. I hate when the rain falls on the car, just blast. I just splash at the car. That's what leaves the mud, you know? What was I saying? I don't even remember. By the way, I went to the dental office this week. I did a vlog. Oh, that was a big ass hole. So they kind of at the bottom they put a bigger wire because it's time to like close the gaps where I did the extractions, and they also put a brace thingy on the inside because I have like a teeth like on the inside, so they had to put one on the inside of my mouth. So I'm literally feeling it each time I talk, so I have to like put the wax on it. The braces wax on it to like not feel it, but I forgot to put it on. Whoa, I can't even see the camera. I'm gonna change it to glass. Honestly, so bad, guys. Excuse me. I need to wipe the back of my car. Whoa, it's like smudgy. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna head to the supermarket and grab our thing. It's really ready. The fun kit. I mean, not say what I was about to say. I need not say what I was about to say. That line is long. That food line is long. I'm gonna go to the supermarket. There's actually a grocery store on Redis Road as well where I go to, but I don't know if they sell the pan, so I just don't want to like chance it, even though I could because it's not far away. But let me just go to the supermarket so where I know I'm gonna get it. I should get it, I should say. Excuse me, sorry, I'm drying out that. But it's 2:42 right now. Ugh, I can't believe the weekend is over. Got to get into study mode. I'm gonna slow down. There's somebody walking. We gotta get into study mode, guys. Alright, I will see you guys when I'm at the supermarket, okay? Have arrived. Let me quickly just go get what I'm getting and come back. Ooh, come on. I have my bag. I'm just gonna run in with this bag. It's out of water. Or I don't think they want that long of a one. There's two. Alright, I'm gonna use two of these. Which one? Got 10 inches. I don't think I need it. Okay, I grabbed all that I needed. Let's head out of here. Alright guys, I'm finished with the supermarket. So I bought two of the container because I didn't bought the top because I don't know. The bottom should comes with the top, right? Like I don't get it. The bottom should come to the top. Like they're sold separately and they're different prices. So I just bought the bottom because I have a lot of foil paper. I have like a whole industrial foil paper. So I'm not gonna buy the bottom, which costs money. The top, the lid, that costs money. So I was like, so I picked up two of those. I picked up plastic plates because I don't like to wash plates. And I bought a dishwasher liquid because I'm running out. I need gas, like really need gas, but gas is so expensive, guys. I've been buying $3,000 and $4,000 gas, like topping up, and for some reason it runs out so quick. So I was like, I am gonna like full my tank and I'm gonna see how long it lasts. Like I don't know, it's just crazy. This Hyundai is cute. I want a big car so bad, guys. Like I think I'm tired of this small car, and I've had small cars for probably like over 5 years now. I've owned a car. It's more than 5 years. Shit, probably 7 years, 6-7 years I've owned a car. So yeah, I really want to upgrade, but it's not possible to upgrade at this time. Like everything that's happening nowadays, like you have to watch the money, and like I'm not getting an increase in salary, so I'm not gonna add more expenses, you know. Definitely not adding any more expenses until like I'm making like a decent amount. And even if I do, the first thing I'm gonna do, I need a new you know, like I said, I'm thinking about moving. Not thinking, I will be finding somewhere else. I just not sure when, but by year end, going over to the next year. That is our plan. My phone looks lean and it's just rocking. Anyways, we're gonna season our chicken. Oh, whoa! It's in the oven. I almost splashed that, man. They need to put something there. I didn't know the water was so high. Yeah, but back to gas. Gas is super expensive. Super expensive, guys. Alright, we're gonna go home and prepare dinner, so I'll see you guys in a while. Alright guys, dinner is served. We got pumpkin, callaloo, and the chicken here.